Hi guys, this is Dina. Today I'm going to take you through one of my latest gadgets, which is the Canon EOS 1500D. If you're looking for a DSLR, then stick around. First, let's get to unboxing. In here you'll find one camera body, one strap, one charger, one user manual and a rechargeable battery. The camera comes with an 18-55mm lens. For precision and high quality video, you can shoot it in different frame rates such as 24 fps, 30 fps and 60 fps. The camera shoots all the modes in high definition and delivers crystal clear images. In addition, you also get a manual control option and an autofocus mode to make the best out of your creativity as you desire. It also comes with a DIGIC Plus processor with 9 autofocus points for quick autofocus experience. The lightweight camera supports RAW video recording, and with its 24.1 megapixel camera, you can shoot clear images that will support large prints and a high pixel rate. For further ease of use, this DSLR is also enabled with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mode for you to operate it from a distance. At the base, we have a universal tripod mount that will enable you to use a tripod. You'll also get to reap the benefits of both the optical and digital viewfinder with this camera for further ease of usage. With this camera, it has satisfied the inner artist in me, and I have to say I'm really impressed.
Presenting Canon EOS 1500D 24.1 digital SLR camera in the color black. This camera comes in two style variants, 18-55mm with 55-250mm lens and EF S18-55. It also comes in two combo variants of camera with black headphone and camera with tripod and filter. This camera is equipped with APS-C CMOS sensor along with 24.1 megapixel to capture all the perfect shots. With ISO of 100 to 6400 sensitivity range, this camera captures grain-free pictures even in low light. The DIGIC 4+ image processor along with 9 autofocus points ensure speed and accuracy. You can record full HD video with fully manual control and selectable frame rates. With Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth built-in, you can control the camera remotely and transfer the images as well as the video footages wirelessly. Inside the box, you will find Canon EOS 1500D camera, EF S18-55 IS2 lens, strap, battery charger, battery pack. The camera comes with 2 years manufacturer warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.